Maintaining your backyard nice and neat can sometimes be challenging. Luckily, there are many other options for landscaping, without including grass or other high-maintenance plants. These beautiful, clever, and sustainable options can make your backyard a true oasis of relaxation. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best no-grass backyard landscaping ideas. Before that, please like and subscribe to support my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, here are inspiring no-grass backyard landscaping ideas. When it comes to using rock in landscaping, gravel is definitely one of the more versatile options. It works for small and large paving projects, can replace grass in dry regions, and can have a decorative impact in the garden. Even better, it's a more budget-friendly landscaping material than alternatives and lends itself to DIY projects more easily than other types of stone. There's always a spot in any landscape or property that could use a little gravel for decoration and shaping. Stepping stones come in so many different styles and can be arranged to create different looks and feels depending on your preferences. Here are examples of stepping stones used in various landscaping projects. Using wood chips for landscaping is also good for the general environment by keeping useful products out of landfill sites. Wood chips also regulate soil temperatures and bring a natural woodland feel to the area. And they can even be used to prevent muddy or dusty conditions in your garden. If you're looking for cheap, no-grass backyard ideas, interlocking hardwood patio tiles are the answer. These real hardwood tiles are not only easy to install, but they also look fantastic. contrast of stone pavers and green grass is an eye-catching combination. Level up your yard game with this elegant look. for watching. Please like and subscribe to support my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. And see you in the next videos.